Hi everyone, this is Dr. Eti. Now today we are going to explain and evaluate double integral over or cube d or d theta over the area enclosed between the circles r equals to 2 sin theta and r equals to 4 sin theta. Here the problem is here or enclosed by the region over r equals to 2 sin theta and r equals to 4 sin theta. Here r equals to 2 sin theta and r equals to 4 sin theta will be the two circles in the plane. This is one of the xy plane. This is y axis and x axis. Here r equals to 2 sin theta is one circle and r equals to 2 sin theta is one of the circle and r equals to 4 sin theta with the another circle. R equals to 4 sin theta with the another circle. R equals to 4 sin theta. Okay. Next that assume that here first of all the region given that also the region of integration or the region of integration or means or is shown shaded here is shown shaded here in between the two circles. Already given that problem also here shaded area means in between two circles. This is a shaded area here intersecting two points according to the circle center of the axis. Assume that P, capital P and capital Q. Okay, the integration R is shown shaded here here or small r various small r various from P and Q. P to Q is one of the integral. P to Q means P means one of the circle, that is r equals to 2 sin theta to Q that is r equals to 4 sin theta. Next that here this is theta. Next theta varies from here 0 to theta equals to pi. Here theta equals to pi by 2. Next that integration theta varies from 0 to pi. So that here given integral, double integral or varies from the limits with respect to r means here r equals to 2 sin theta to r equals to 4 sin theta. Next that another integral theta equals to 0 to pi. Here given that r cube dr d theta. Now integrating this with respect to the derivatives dr and d theta according to the limits 2 times. First of all here Integration means with respect to r power 4 by 4, r power 4 by 4. After integration, substituting the limits r equals to 2 sin theta to r equals to 4 sin theta, r equals to 2 sin theta to r equals to 4 sin theta, remaining d theta, right, as it is here. Another integral theta equals to 0 to pi. Next, that implies here substituting the upper limit and lower limit in place of or 1 by 4 means constant, write the before integral, and integral of theta equals to 0 to pi in place of or substitute first of all upper limit, it is 4 sin theta whole power 4 minus 2 minus of substitute in place of or lower limit. Here lower limit means 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta whole power 4 into d theta into d theta. Next, that implies 1 by 4 into, here 4 power 4 means 256. Next, that 2 power 4 means 16. 256 minus 16 means 240. 240 right before the integration. Next, that integral of 0 to pi sin theta, sin power, here, right, sin power 4 theta into d theta. Next, that cancellation will get here 4 6 are 24, 60 into here 0 to pi limit, right, 2 into integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4 theta d theta. 62s are 120 and 20 into integration of this will get 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 2 pi by 2. 4 into 2 pi by 2. The answer will get here 124 into 2. 2 6 are 0. 2 6 are 12. 0. 260s cancellation here, and here 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 45, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 15 3s are 45, 15 3s are 45 pi by 2. The answer will get 45 pi by 2. The given double integration, evaluate double integration over r cube d or d theta over the area enclosed between the circles r equals to 2 sin theta and r equals to 4 sin theta, means answer means 45 pi by 2. Okay, thank you.